Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you more about Azure Cloud, Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Google Cloud. Azure is one of the world's leading cloud providers. It offers a vast array of services, ranging from virtual machines and databases to AI and machine learning tools. Microsoft Azure provides high-load, scalable, and secure cloud infrastructures. Enterprise-level clients often choose Microsoft Azure for large projects due to its advanced capabilities. The Azure engineering team uses cutting-edge technologies in their day-to-day activities. Azure offers seamless integration with Microsoft's ecosystem, making it an excellent choice for businesses that already use Microsoft products. Azure's global network of data centers ensures low latency and high availability. With Azure, you can easily scale your infrastructure as your business grows, ensuring that you always have the resources you need. Security is a top priority, with Azure providing advanced threat protection and compliance certifications. Another advantage of Azure is its continuous innovation and regular updates, which ensure access to cutting-edge features. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Azure has the tools and services to meet your needs. In the rapidly evolving field of cloud computing, staying updated with the latest technologies is crucial. Now let's talk about AWS. Amazon pioneered the cloud technology market and remains a leader in the field. AWS lets you deploy millions of servers globally in an instant and scale them down just as quickly. AWS is as prestigious among cloud technologies as Mercedes is among cars. If you're interested in building infrastructure, processing large amounts of data, or distributed computing, AWS is exactly what you need. Cloud technology experts are in high demand as most modern solutions use cloud infrastructure. AWS offers hundreds of services worldwide and serves millions of customers. Any modern DevOps engineer needs to master technologies like AWS, Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, scripting languages like Python and Groovy, Bash, CI/CD, and monitoring. Google Cloud stands out as one of the top cloud platforms available today. It's essential to highlight that Google Cloud's infrastructure excels in supporting machine learning, big data, and the Internet of Things applications. If you're curious about these fields, you'll be pleased to know that Google Cloud offers a wide range of services that simplify infrastructure management. One of the most outstanding aspects of Google Cloud is its unique and ever-growing network. A Google Cloud worker designs, builds, and manages cloud infrastructure. They optimize and automate systems, configure applications, and monitor performance. Their role involves ensuring the efficient operation of cloud services and facilitating smooth data transfer and communication across the network. They need strong technical skills, including programming and database management, and must effectively collaborate with colleagues and clients. Let's talk about what these cloud platforms have in common. All three provide core cloud services, including compute power, storage, and networking. They also offer a wide range of tools for artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, and the Internet of Things. Additionally, they all focus on security, providing robust security features and compliance certifications. Each platform has a global network of data centers, ensuring low latency and high availability for their services. Now, let's explore what sets them apart. Starting with Google Cloud, it's renowned for its data analytics and machine learning capabilities. Google Cloud offers unique services like BigQuery for data warehousing and TensorFlow for machine learning. One standout feature is its proprietary, continually expanding network, which includes submarine cables connecting continents. This makes Google Cloud a great choice for projects involving big data, AI, and machine learning. Next, Amazon Web Services, AWS, is the most mature and widely adopted cloud platform, known for its extensive range of services. AWS offers everything from basic compute and storage to advanced services for artificial intelligence, IoT, and serverless computing. AWS is highly scalable and flexible, making it suitable for startups and large enterprises alike. AWS is also known for its rapid pace of innovation, frequently releasing new services and features to meet diverse needs. Finally, Microsoft Azure stands out for its seamless integration with Microsoft products and strong enterprise support. Azure is particularly beneficial for businesses already using Microsoft software like Windows Server, SQL Server, and Office 365. Azure excels in hybrid cloud solutions, allowing businesses to easily integrate on-premises and cloud environments. It also offers robust security and compliance features, making it a top choice for regulated industries. In summary, while all three cloud platforms offer core cloud services, they each have unique strengths. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific needs, existing infrastructure, and future goals. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand the similarities and differences between Google Cloud, AWS, and Azure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.